Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some hazelnut chocolate cookies. For these delicious German Christmas cookies you need flour, hazelnuts, butter, sugar, a pinch of salt and cacao powder. So today I'm going to use my KitchenAid and I put all the ingredients into the mixing bowl. Baking Christmas cookies is a German tradition, and for that we do not bake only one kind of Christmas cookies, we make many varieties. And that's why I make them so small, so that everyone of my family can try and taste as many as they want to. If you want to know about the other cookie recipes, please click on the link in the upper right corner and you'll see what else I'm going to make for Christmas. The amount is calculated for one cake tray, 13 by 17 inches. When the cookie dough is done, it might look a little crumbly, but you can easily knead it together and you'll get a compact ball of dough which is not sticky at all and feels quite soft. So now we are going to make some hazelnut chocolate cookies. We take some dough the size of a walnut and we put one hazelnut in the middle and we roll them between our hands. So from the amount I put in the recipe, you'll get around 25 of those little hazelnut chocolate cookies, and that's how many hazelnuts you'll need. It took me about 10 minutes to get all the little cookies on the cake tray. We put them in the oven at 340 for 12 to 15 minutes. In the beginning you'll see they still have this shine on them, which disappears little by little, and then they form all these little cracks, and that's a sure sign that they are done. When you take them out, just keep them on the tray until they are completely cooled down, and then you can finish up with some powdered sugar. So that's it for today. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share and leave a comment. And if you watched one of the other cookie recipes, please let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.